Teaching is the noblest profession. Before I proceed on why teaching is the noblest profession, let's define first what is teacher. Teacher, a person who teaches especially in school. A school teacher or formally an educator is a person who helps students to acquire knowledge, competence, or virtue. It is a noblest profession. Teacher or teaching is a noblest profession. Teacher have better or great contribution of investment in a career teaching. Teaching requires people who have the ability to nurture young minds and mold or turn them into something great. Teaching considered as a noblest profession because it takes courage and passion. It is needed or having full heart of patience and understanding. Teachers have or carries great responsibility. They are the trustee of the nation to effectively teach students. Teachers are great help to all students. Because of teacher, they will be able to learn and be a good persons. Teachers is the foundation that cultivates the minds and the skills of a child. Teacher not only played as a teacher, they have to be their family, friend, and role model. Teachers marks as loving and compassionate. They have full of competence, skills, knowledge to be able to teach. Teaching is a noble profession. Teachers always consider the goods of their students. They are selfless, always ready to extend their helping hand to respond in child's needs. Noble profession is something to be proud of because of willingly and heartedly giving something of yourself to others or to the best you can that can contribute to the success and achievement on one person. Teachers make all other professions possible. Teaching called as a noble profession, a noblest profession among all the professions, since all professionals underwent education with a teacher. Teacher is the parent of all professions, like doctors, engineers, police, and many professionals out there are molded by the teachers. Teacher teaches everything what they can to be successful in their life. Teachers help to inspire, motivate, encourage, and educated students. Teachers give their love, care, and full heart effort in teaching. They install many things that is needed of the learner to be learned, like to be moral and ethically correct. As you can see, teachers really work hard. They spread knowledge, share wisdom, and help to nurture children to grow into responsible and good person in the future. It is somewhat in teachers' hands, the future of the learner, because in teachers started or begins to learn, become knowledgeable, skillful, competent, to be more human, and to be successful individual in the future. There are a lot of people sees and consider teaching is a noblest profession. And of course, it is. They have the quality to be called as one. They are teachers who have dignity and professionalism competence. They shape students' character, ability, and help to pace the future ahead for the learners. Teacher is the most demand profession. Of course, teachers are always needed for one students to be learned. Teachers are flexible. They can do many things and become a person you're not expected to be. Teaching is a noblest profession because teaching is not easy. It is needed to put your heart in everything you do. Teachers are amazing to do many things they can. They are capable to interact with different students and with a different personality and characteristic. They handle this patiently and smoothly. Teacher can be considered as a parent of all learners. They carried such responsibility. Teaching is a noblest profession. They are respectful, caring, and compassionate. Teaching as a noblest profession is not only a word to describe them, because we can see the full effort, action, and respond effectively to their profession.